People ask me a lot where I get the name Flamboyance Tours. Flamboyance Tours came about as the name for my business for a few reasons. I guess the first being the word itself, flamboyance. Flamboyance means to be exuberant, to be fun, and I really like to think that that's what I represent, and also that's what I want my company, my business to represent. Something that is fun, something that's unique and quirky, and really showcasing the city of Adelaide. Flamboyance Tours does have one more thing going for it in terms of its name, as well as it being fun and exuberant. It also means a group of flamingos, so that's why I do actually have 3 flamingos in my logo to represent what flamboyance means, as well as it being to people wanting to learn and to be curious about where it is they're travelling through. You also have a sentimentality regarding the business name because Flamboyance Tours has flamingos as the logo, and the group of flamingos is meant to represent, I guess, a sense of togetherness and the fact that like-minded people come together for these particular walks. But I also had an affinity with flamingos from when I was a tour guide overseas. When I worked in Europe, I would take people around big cities like Rome and Prague on walking tours, and there I would have to hold something so people could follow me along. Now, at the time, a lot of people would have selfie sticks with, say, a flag or something on top of it, but I, of course, wanted to stand out from the crowd. So I went to a shop and ended up finding a flamingo fly swatter. So I carried around this pink flamingo fly swatter, leading tour groups around Europe, and the flamingo affinity stuck from there. And so I had to bring a little piece of that home with me.
Thanks for watching. We have multiple tours and services which you can find more information about by visiting our website, flamboyancetours.com.au. And don't forget to follow us across social media too so you can stay connected with what we've got going on.